So hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video, इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे कि गेमिंग एक में जो मोस्ट क्रिटिकल रोल है दैट दोज आर हैंड फ्री और हेडफोन्स. सो हम हेडफोन्स और हैंड फ्रीज को कंपेयर करेंगे और देखेंगे कि इसके अंदर से क्या क्या हमें मिलता है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो. सो गाइज नाउ वी गोना स्टार्ट द वीडियो. सो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं ईयरफोन से. सो फर्स्ट लेट्स गो टू सम चीप वर्जन दैट आई गॉट. सो हेयर आर Huawei 8C in stock mobile hand free. So I personally do not recommend these for gaming क्योंकि गेमिंग में जब आप इसके साथ गेमिंग कर रहे हैं तो इसकी जो आपको जो ईयर शेप है वो कुछ ऐसी है, तो इससे आपको नॉइज़ कैंसिलेशन नहीं मिल सकती. अगर आप अपने कमरे में बैठे हैं या आपके घर में कोई गेस्ट हैं या पीछे कोई म्यूज़िक चल रहा है तो यू वुड नॉट गेट वॉइस दैट गुड in the gameplay. So I do not recommend these for gaming. Okay, these they cost around 300 to 600 rupees. Now let's go to some expensive things. Okay, so here I have got S8 in stock headphones, AKG headphones, very nice shape, very good noise cancellation. I recommend these for gaming and they cost around 10,000 rupees. That's very expensive. Some budget options I will show in the description. You can go, they will cost around 1,000 to 2,000 rupees. They're good, but till now we got S8. They cost around $10,000. They're very good at noise cancellation and I definitely recommend these for gaming. Now as a thing we're gonna discuss, does Bluetooth pods, we got AirPods and Samsung pods work? Yeah, they do work, काम करते हैं, लेकिन recommended for gaming में cheap वाले नहीं आते क्योंकि cheap से आपको उतनी अच्छी क्वालिटी नहीं मिलती जितनी आपको जो महंगे हैं जिस तरह एयरपॉड्स हैं और सैमसंग पॉड्स हैं उनसे मिलती है. सो आई रिकमेंड एक्सपेंसिव बट नॉट चीप. ओके, so guys, now let's move to headphones, the best options for gaming in this world. Most gamers use headphones as they are very good at noise cancellation. So first of all, we're gonna start off the budget version, the best headphones you can get in 1000. We got NIAQ1 headphones. These are the best headphones that you can get in 1000. They are very nice, very smooth. It has got a USB-C cable. You can do this wirefully headphones and with Bluetooth, and you can even insert a micro SD card so that you can play music from that. They're very nice. I really recommend these for gaming. But there are two options. One is like big size and one is small. I got the small one. These do not fit to me. So yeah, it's a very good option in 1000. I really recommend this for gaming if you're looking for budget. Okay, now if you want something expensive, now we got really expensive headphones. Bluetooth headphones UFO. These one of the I can say very good ones. They cost around 20,000 to 30,000 as I checked the prices lastly. These have very nice noise cancellation with comfortable cushioning. They have a Bluetooth and they have a wire. They can charge. They are so good. They have PPS sound system and they are having a very good build quality compared to this. If I throw this really hard, I know I will break this, but if I throw this, I have no surety it will not break. I'm sure it will not break. और ये काफ़ी अच्छे हैं. आपको भी मैं रिकमेंड करूँगा कि आप अगर आप एक्सपेंसिव में देखना चाहते हैं आप ये भी देख सकते हैं, लेकिन आई वुड नॉट रिकमेंड इट लाइक यही आप लें, क्योंकि 20 और 30,000 के प्राइस पॉइंट पे इससे भी अच्छे आपको मिल सकते हैं. बिकॉज बट मैंने आपको शो करने के लिए दिखाया कि दीज आर वेरी एक्सपेंसिव एंड दे मतलब पैसा वसूल है भाई, इसमें पैसा वसूल. तो thank you guys for watching. This was our episode. We have started a new series, everything about gaming, in which we'll talk about gaming components and things that we need to do for gaming. Thank you guys for watching and see you on Monday.